All right, broski, it's T, and I'm back with a video on brain mindset. Okay, you know Huberman, right? This Huberman guy. I don't know if this is a part of his channel. I'm not sure, but this is more ridiculous crap. 200% increase in muscle mass, game changer protocol. This is the stupidest shit I've ever heard. Hot sauna increase your growth hormone by 16 times. Yes, yes, that's all you want to do is increase your growth hormone so that you can turn on the age mechanism. You want to grow so you could age. You stopped growing at 25, so your growth hormone stopped doing that. It shut off. Now it comes out in increments, of course, every so often, like not as much as you would think, just so you could live. You know that it's a molecule, but not enough to age you. But if you increase it artificially like this by 200%, believe me, you're gonna age fast. Listen to this video.
Day 80-degree Celsius protocol experienced 16-fold increases in.
Why does it increase 16-fold increases in growth hormone, 200%? Because it's a defense mechanism you turned on in your body. You're dying. Your body thinks it's dying. And if it's dying, it's stressed. And if it's stressed, you're aging. This accelerates aging. It's an inflammatory response, right? You're going to get an inflammatory response automatically. Believe me, a hot sauna is going to increase an inflammatory response, and your body is going to increase hormone, and you're going to start accelerating aging. This guy, name me one thing that he actually teaches you how to actually reverse senescent cells, like really truly reverse aging, like myogenic decline and acquisition of senescent cells. Name me one fucking thing that he actually teaches you. No, he's promoting how to age you by fooling you into believing that if you increase this, this is a good thing for you. If you increase growth hormone 200%, 16 times fold, bro. And what is that going to do exactly, Mr. Huberman?
Growth hormone. Okay, let's talk about heat. The first question that we have to answer is, how do we heat up? We heat up two ways. We heat up from the outside, and we heat up from the inside.
How can a sauna increase mass? Okay, the growth hormone goes up 200%. It's a defense mechanism now trying to keep you alive because you're dying. You're dying, yes. You're dying. Okay, so you woken up this thing to try to, in survival mode now, to keep you alive, right? It's going, fuck man, we're dying here. Okay, and you're gonna build what? Increase mass, muscle mass?
The simplest way to think about this is that we actually have two body temperatures. Body temperature varies between individuals, it varies across time of day within individuals, and at every point across your entire lifespan, you have two distinct temperatures. One is the temperature.
Anytime you grow, you shorten your lifespan. Look, I'll explain this. Anytime that growth hormone is turned on due to a defense mechanism, you shorten your lifespan. It gets a little shorter. Yes. Yes. That's what happens. Definitely. You're causing some cellular damage to tissue damage in your body. Being in this hot sauna, the growth hormone is increasing because of the cellular damage. Keep trying to keep you alive. It's not trying to keep you living longer. It's trying to keep you alive because that's your body. It's made to keep you alive. Look, your body is not made to give you diseases or destroy you or kill you, do anything. Your body will do everything it takes to keep you alive, even if you are poisoning it or destroying it or going in a cold bath, plummeting cold fucking ice baths, killing yourself, going into a hot sauna, melting. You understand me? These are defense mechanisms to keep you alive. And if they are turned on, and you do take on this cellular damage, then you're increasing growth. Therefore, you're shortening lifespan. Yes, sir.
On your skin, what scientists call your shell.
So
and the temperature of.
What health benefits does this have? Zero if you're trying to destroy your body. You understand me? Zero health benefits, bro.
Your core. your viscera,
your
meaning
core,
your organs, your nervous system, and your
Yes, your viscera, your core, your spinal cord, and everything. Yes, yes. I want to destroy myself faster than the last
spinal
time.
cord.
What
And as you can
needs
imagine, the temperature of your core is always higher than the temperature at your surface. Your
Yes, so now we want to increase it even further so we can destroy ourselves. Yes.
brain has neurons that send signals to other cells in your body and deploy the release of chemicals.
Have you read this thing in NCBI, Mr. Huberman? It's called stress. It's an NCBI. It explains to you how stress accelerates aging. Any stress to a human body accelerates aging, disease, neurological diseases, fucking metabolic diseases, every kind of disease, atherosclerosis, cardiovascular disease, just everything. Diminish the shit out of you, shorten your lifespan. It'll cripple you. It'll diminish the satellite cell pool doing this. That too, that's myogenic decline. We don't want to accelerate myogenic decline. The satellite cells will be walking with a walker. Will be weak. Will be diminished. This is counterintuitive. What is this? What kind of science is this? What kind of fucking pseudoscience is this, man? This is crazy. Huberman, you're insane.
In your brain and body to heat you up when you are too cold and to cool you down when you are too hot. One way that you can heat up is by cooling down the surface of your body. That's right. If I were to throw a cold...
Yeah, that's all I want to do. I want to cool the surface of my body when it's there to keep me alive at a certain temperature, keeping things working. You want to know why you go, oh, look, I ate this. There's this bacon. When I leave it sitting there, it turns hard. The grease turns hard. Well, if you eat that, that's going to happen to your arteries and everything. How's that going to happen if your temperature is raised at, like, I don't know, what are we, 34 Celsius, our body, or whatever, the temperature? It's quite hot. It's quite warm. So what are you talking about? How is that going to... The temperature is cool in the room. Your body's hot all the time. You understand me, man? This is the stupid, ridiculous shit.
towel, ice cold towel.
This is the stupid stuff that's put out on the internet. I gotta expose all these people for what they really are.
Your torso right now and ask you...
Tax liens are very simple. See, every county charges property taxes, which means
Sorry about that. It's commercial.
Well, how do you feel? You say, oh, that's cold, that's chilly.
How do you feel? You feel stressed. You hate this. It's painful to go. Listen, I hate saunas. It's pain when you go in there. It's pain pleasure to some people, I guess, because they're neurologically not wired properly. Their brain, they love to destroy themselves. There's some humans that enjoy destroying themselves with tattoos, piercings, going to these hot baths, cold baths, doing these weird things because they hate themselves. They hate society. They hate themselves. They probably didn't make it in life. They never will make it. They just want to destroy themselves faster than the last time. They enjoy this. Like Huberman. He wants to destroy you. Understand me? He's enjoying this.
However, because your brain is acting like a bit of a thermostat as...
He's a narcissistic bugger. He wants to destroy you. Anybody that promotes destroying you must have an agenda. It's a governmental thing. Get it?
The surface, the shell of your body felt cool.
Maybe so he could sell you some supplements now to repair yourself because now you've diminished yourself. The health food store is waiting for you. Maybe they have a vitamin for that.
It would make sense that thermostat would activate biological mechanisms that would heat up your core. So anytime we're talking about heat, meaning deliberate heat
that thermostat, heat that core down. Yeah, okay.
exposure, things like sauna.
Is that how it works? Okay.
It's very important to understand not just the stimulus.
Yes, it's very important to understand not just the stimulus, but
how hot something is, how long you're in a sauna, etc., but the effect that has on your shell and on your core.
Yes, what is that effect on my shell, my core? It's fucking dying. My body's dying, trying to keep me alive. Okay. That's a good thing. Yeah.
If you can understand that, you can design protocols that are literally perfect for your goal. Yeah. Everything in biology is...
Just like a doctor telling you to eat these vegetables which are diminishing you. He says, oh, you need to eat more of them. You need to eat more of them. Now you eat more of them, and then you end up completely destroyed. That's how people find the carnivore diet. They reach a point where they're just about on the edge of falling off the cliff. They're on life support. That's what you want to do. You want to put people on life support on the edge to fall off, bro. Yeah.
process. So as you'll soon learn, there is a specific sauna protocol that can allow anybody, in fact, to increase the amount of growth hormone released into their brain.
We want to release the amount of growth hormone. Why not just take a shot? If you take a shot, artificial growth hormone, you don't have to do any of this, right? Yeah, they get it at the pharmacy. Go get it there.
Body 16-fold. That's right, 16-fold.
Yeah.
So today you're going to learn about the use of sauna. You're going to learn about the use of other.
I want to be in pain, stressing myself, so I can increase growth hormone 16-fold. 16-fold, so I can 16-fold age myself and diminish the shit out of myself. Yeah, that's really the goal here, right, Mr. Huberman?
Other heat-related tools for health and optimization, not just for growth hormone, but also metabolic health, for controlling cortisol, even to impact mental health in positive ways. In order to do
it's a positive way, it's going to impact your mental health. Why do you think that shooter recently went out with a gun and started taking out people, 18 people, and I don't know, he fucking killed 18 people and injured 18 people or some shit? Why do you think he did that? Because of people like you got him going in saunas all day, made him nuts instead. He went out and took out the people, took out society. Yeah. All of these things, these people that you promote, they get nuts, and then they just go out there and start blowing away people. Yeah, bro. This is insanity.
That you need to understand a little bit about the mechanisms of how you heat up and how you cool down.
Yes, I know. I need to know all the mechanisms why I heat up and I cool down. Why do I need to know that? My body does it for me. I don't need to know anything. Hey, body, why do you heat up and cool down? Should I ask it why it's breathing for me at night and why it's pumping that blood in my heart? What is keeping my who's digesting my food for me? Am I doing it? Body, how are you doing that? Is everything okay down there? Yeah, he's like circulating blood and doing all these things. I don't know anything about that. I don't know fuck all about the body, how it works. Nobody does. No scientist, nobody. Not even you, Huberman. Do you understand?
I promise to make...
You don't understand how a human body works, where a brain or anything. You don't even know how to make a human body. You couldn't create one. If you've never created one, how the fuck would you know how it works, bro? You're just speculating. You're creating, speculating, making up stuff. You're making people believe that destroying themselves has health benefits. Destroying yourself absolutely has zero health benefits in destroying yourself. You understand me? That doesn't make you stronger. This is ridiculous. This is stupid shit.
The description of that which follows very clear, even if you don't have a background in biology. And once you have that in hand...
I have a background in biology, and I know what you're saying is fake. I've always known it. I just never said anything before. Because, well, I don't know. I am now.
Then you will be in the best possible position to use sauna or hot tub or other tools, even just a hot shower, as a powerful stimulus to optimize your biology.
No, it won't. It's a powerful stimulus to destroy your biology. He's lying to you. He's a liar. Huberman is lying. He's lying, bro. It's bullshit, man. This guy is crap. I gotta go. I'll see you in the next video. This is going way too long, but I would like to go longer with this. But that's enough, man. Huberman is fake, bro. Andrew Huberman. He wants to destroy you. It's ridiculous. I could peel down all these people, what they're doing. I'm telling you, I can destroy them because it's fake what they're doing. And they're making you believe fantasy that this has a health benefit. Absolutely zero health benefits. If anything, there's no health benefits. Anything, it'll destroy you faster than the last time. See you in the next one. Ciao, my friends.